Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some mathematical algorithms. Usually we have to the mathematical algorithms, basically it is used to the programming algorithm. See, we have to use the programming algorithm. First of all, we have to do that some mathematical structures. So that mathematical structures that we have to call it as discrete mathematics. See, there is a discrete mathematics. We have to learn some logics. So that logics is to be very useful to do the some mathematical structures. That means that is the algorithm. See, here we have to use the mathematical discrete mathematics. We have to know that some logics. Logics, how to be a logics will do. What is work in this logic? That we have to discuss in this video. So first of all, we know that the discrete mathematics, it is useful to our two of mathematical structures. So mathematical structures, basically they are using the algorithms. So that algorithms, they are using so many logics in their programs. So in this logics, there is a lot of logics they are using. For example, they are using PQR, and then that we have to the using the and that logics and negation. There is a lot of logics we are using. Why we need using the logics? See, logical thinking is always very important to the program. So that program is used to learn something about the algorithms. So that algorithm we have to think some logical reasons. So that logical reasons only the basics of in this discrete mathematical logics. So that logic will be the in this symbol of this, and so many logics are there. So we have to know that few logics we are using here. There is a very useful tool we are learning in this logic. So basically that we have to know that the value of the logics. See that P, they are using 1, then 1 0 0 1 0 0. Otherwise we are using true, false, true, false, false, true, false. So in this mathematical logics we are using in the table that it is true and false. We have to create some logics of true and false. That will be a mathematical logics. That mathematical logics basics we are learned into under the topic of discrete mathematics. See, in this discrete mathematics, we are using the few tools of in this tools. We know that clearly that these tools are using that critical thinking and some logics. So that logic is a very wonderful logics they are using in the algorithms. So that algorithm, basically the algorithm will be a small structure. So that structure will come in only the basic of in this discrete mathematics. So in this mathematics, see in this mathematics they are using the tool of here that P, Q, R, P, Q, that true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Basically this true or false, basically we know that a word it will be a true or false. Tomorrow is a Monday. See, this is tomorrow is a Monday. See, in this statement, it is true or false. That basically they are giving the only one statement, that is tomorrow is a Monday. But in this statement, they didn't inform to this today what is the day, maybe a Sunday or not. So we clearly know that the before day is Sunday only, that next day is Monday. Otherwise, that statement is wrong. So in this statement, tomorrow is a Monday, that only statement is maybe the wrong or true. But in this statement, there is not at all the statement to the true or false. Because in this statement is tomorrow is a Monday, but they didn't mention what today. See, only the possible is today is Sunday, then only we know that tomorrow is a Monday. Otherwise, the statement is wrong. So, in this basic mathematics, we have to learn some logics. That logic will be used in the